In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute video in Adobe Express. If you have a video clip in your project and you want to remove its sound, Adobe Express makes that process very simple. This is useful if your clip has background noise, if you want to replace the original audio with music or narration, or if you just need the video to play silently in your final design. To get started, open your video project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're inside the project where your video has already been added so you can directly edit the clip you want to work on. Once your project is open, take a moment to locate the specific video on your canvas or timeline. Next, select the video clip you want to mute. This step is important because Adobe Express needs to know exactly which clip you're editing. When the clip is selected, the editing options for that video will appear, making it easier to access the audio controls. Now look toward the top toolbar and find the mute option. If you see a mute button, go ahead and click it. This is the quickest way to turn off the audio for that selected clip. In some cases, you may also find the sound controls in the left side panel instead. If that's where your audio settings appear, simply locate the volume slider and drag it all the way down until the volume is set to 0. You can also click the volume icon there if that option is available. Both methods do the same thing. They remove the audible sound from the selected video clip. If you're editing a project with multiple clips, keep in mind that muting one video only affects that specific clip. So you'll need to repeat the process for any other clips you want to silence. And that's it. Once the clip is muted, your video will play without its original audio. It's a quick edit, but it can make a big difference when you're refining your project and preparing it for music, voiceover, or a cleaner final presentation. Before you finish, it's always a good idea to preview the video to confirm the audio is fully muted. That way you can make sure everything sounds exactly the way you want before exporting or sharing your project.